I call it pesto unleavened bread. First, you have to mix the flour. I'm gonna use it's a big spoon. It's a serving spoon actually. No, it's not a serving spoon. 5 of flour spoon. Then 1 spoonful of dried basil. Basta it's 1 spoonful. Then 1 spoonful of Parmesan grated cheese. Like this. Don't worry about this one because it's really easy to smash it. You can add more if you depend on your taste. And this one is salt. It's 1 teaspoon of salt. And add the olive oil for about 5 tablespoons. Madami It's an olive oil, but you can use any kind of oil that you desire. Then add water. Mix. And this time I'm going to mash to completely mix the ingredients, incorporate every marble. You have to put additional water if it's look like this to improve the elasticity of the flour. Add water, mix, yan, nagiging elastic and sticky na siya. So, continue knead this dough until ma-ferment yung salt sa dough, maging elastic. Para pag nag-flatten tayo, hindi siya naghiwa-hiwalay. Then get a portion. Yan. Then fly into the pan. Oops. Like that. Go until flip open. Yan. This is just a slow heat, and every side you will cook it for 2 minutes until golden brown. The other side. And then you have this one. It's crispy and thin, delicious. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you learned something new on my video. Bye.
You put down the phone